everyone. Today, your task is about rotoscoping animation. To do a rotoscoping animation, you need to have a few steps. Number one, you need to record a movement. The movement must be a bit aggressive and energetic. Number two, you need to convert the video become a sequence image. For that process, you need to have Adobe Premiere. We use Adobe Premiere to convert all the video become a image. After that, you need to trace all the image that we already convert from Adobe Premiere using Adobe Illustrator. Make sure you just trace the outline only. After finish tracing all the image, you need to render all the image to using Adobe Premiere. Now you are finished your rotoscoping animation. This is a sample of a video that I need you to do. Okay. You record the video, then we need to convert the video become a sequence image, right? So this is the interface of Adobe Premiere. What should you do is you click new project. So please find one folder that you already create before. My folder is demo roto. Then select the folder. After that, you can give a name for this folder. I give roto. Okay, then click OK. After that, you can see the sequence preset that we need to setting. Please click DV Pal widescreen 48, yeah. Then you need to click OK. So basically this is the interface that you should have inside your Adobe Premiere. So if you don't get this interface, please go to Window, Workspace, and Editing. If your version is CS5 like my version, you just click this one. If you CC version, you click Editing CC version. Okay. Now what should you do is you find the video that you already record, drag the video to the project here. Okay, after that, drag from project to your timeline. So I put here, keep the existing setting, yeah. So what should you do? Sound, you remove the sound. Just click now without sound, yeah. Second, right click or click first the image, the video, then you do right click and you choose scale to frame size. Then you need to click enter to make sure all the red line become a green line. Why? Because when you use red line, the video are running not using a real frame time, yeah. Change to need to choose the movement that you want to use. So example here, I want to use start from this part. So what should you do is you need to cut the video. So first part you need to choose browser tool here, click at this line, then click then bring the line to in front here, and maybe I just want to choose until here and I click. Using selection tool, click the first one and delete. Then the last one, delete, because I just want to use this one to do a rotoscoping. At here, click, right click, remove, delete. So the movement is like this. Okay. Just to make sure your animation or your video here you record not more when you edit for do a rotoscopy not more than 30 seconds, yeah. So the next step, what should you do is you go to file, then export, choose media. Here we have AVA format, choose to TIFF format. After that, make sure the output name here, double click, choose your folder here, then click save. After that, what should you do is you click export. Then we wait until all the process are finished. After finish rendering process, then you can see inside the folder we have all the image. From video we get all this image. Okay, all the image here is almost 700. So now what should you do? You need to delete every second image. Okay, like this one, the second image you need to delete. This one, the second image you need to delete. This one, second image you need to delete. All you delete until end of the image. Yeah. Then what should you do? You need to open Adobe Illustrator. You open your Adobe Illustrator. First, what should you do is File, New, Custom. You choose to Video and Film. Then you choose File, DV/DV. Okay, DV1/DV. Then make sure landscape, pixel, yeah, the unit. Then click OK. Then what should you do? Drag image number one. Number one image you drag to here. Okay. Put here. See. All in, make sure center. Then what should you do? You key this layer. Open or create new layer. Name it number one. Okay. Then what should you do? You can choose whether you want to use pencil or you want to use brush. Example, I use brush. Then you need to just trace the outline, yeah. Okay, just trace the outline. So yes. Please do carefully. Here I just do the demo, yeah. Then you click here because here is not really perfect, right? And you do some correction here. Okay. Then also this outline. This outline. Okay. Then you can see here. This is the movement number one. Then you delete this one. Then what should you do? Drag the second image. Then make sure when you drag, first you need to do is you need to create a new layer. So I remove that image, go to a new layer, drag the second image to here. See, second layer. Then make sure the image is in the center, yeah. So what should you do? You bring down the layer. Okay, this is the layer. Key, this one, the layer number 1 that we name it, you need to duplicate one copy, right? Then you change to 2 because sequence number 2, right? Then click enter. This image you can remove first. So we no need to see this layer. Layer number 1, then you key. So here, right? What should you do? You click zinc brush and you do some correction here. Okay. This one you can delete. Okay. This one you do correction. Okay, now we already have 2 image. Image number 2 or layer 2, you can delete. Okay, so we have 2 layer. Layer number 1, then layer number 2. What should you do now? Repeat this process until finish tracing all the image. Yeah. After finish tracing process, the next step is you need to render all the image become a video. However, that process I will record in next video. Thank you.